All right, we're at 6919 Autumn Rain, and it's raining, but it's not autumn. Okay, here's the front of the house. Which you've already seen. I'll do a little walkthrough. Okay, here's walking in the front door. We've got some hardwood floors. It's not laminate, it's hardwood stuff. Little library off to the left here. And it's like what could be an office to the right. Hallway opening out to the house. Laundry room here. I think it needs a little cleanup. It looks like it has a notice out front that it's like a repo house. Under the garage has some shelves in it. Opens up to the kitchen. Great looking kitchen. Oak cabinets and kind of style stone hardwood, hard surfaces. Nice big kitchen, gas range. So you had a broken window. Living room, fireplace, and then here's your back out towards the front door. Big open area with the balcony. Usually like those. That door, I think it's all taken out, so it's in the backyard. Looks like there's an open area back behind the house. And here's the kitchen. Master down. That's some nice, fun, high ceilings with different angles. Big garden tub with jacuzzis, jacuzzi swingers, and separate shower. Good sized closet. Oh yeah. Nice monster walk through / walk around closet. Two separate sinks. The date on these little tags say 10/20/10. So this thing has been empty since at least last October. Looks like. Big mirror above the stove. Let's take a little walk upstairs. Wait. Pantry off the kitchen. Little bath down. Little half bath. Good sized one. With a understairs storage in the bath. So, on up the stairs. And kind of a game roomy thing up here. Looking back down to the living room, kitchen. Little art niche up there. Just kind of a game room up here / office down the hall. Monster room up here. I've got no lights, so makes it a little tough. See if we can adjust the light here in this bedroom. Not really. So this is like a big room, like a media room almost. It has the indentation where a closet was, where you could put a media center. Victory made back into a bedroom. There's no windows in it though. So here's another decent sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. Linen closet. And two more bedrooms, both of them pretty decent size actually. Looking back out the front. And got a bathroom here with a good size single sink tub with shower. So we got 2.5 bath. Actually not in bad shape. This one little media room is kind of interesting because it has no windows in it. So you get kind of two living areas or a living area and a theater or media room plus 3 bedrooms. And then the master down with formal living, formal dining. Lots and lots of room in this house. So there's the story. I hope that helps you get a little better view of 6919 Autumn Rain. Thanks.